BigCommerce is one of the top names in dropshipping software, but before committing, there are a few things you should know that might make you rethink your decision. We'll cover 12 key factors, so stick around if you're trying to figure out if it's the right choice for your business. First off, BigCommerce is known for its robust features, but it might not be the most beginner-friendly platform. Unlike Shopify, which is designed for simplicity, BigCommerce offers more complex tools that can be overwhelming at first. It's a great option if you're comfortable with tech, but if you're just getting started, be ready for a learning curve. Next thing, let's talk pricing. BigCommerce has a more flexible pricing structure compared to other platforms like Shopify. While the starting plans seem affordable, the costs can quickly add up as your business scales. You may need to upgrade to higher tier plans that come with more advanced features, which can end up being more expensive than Shopify for a comparable package. The third thing is that BigCommerce comes with a built-in payment gateway, but it can be a little restrictive. While you don't have to pay transaction fees if you use their own payment solution, you're limited in payment options. On the other hand, Shopify offers more third-party payment integrations with fewer restrictions, which gives you more flexibility. The fourth thing to consider is the customization options. BigCommerce offers a lot of flexibility in design and development, especially for developers who want to create a unique storefront. But if you're not tech savvy, you might find it difficult to use compared to other platforms like WooCommerce, which offers a more accessible way to customize your site. Next up, BigCommerce offers excellent scalability, which makes it a solid choice for businesses looking to grow. It can handle large inventories, so it's great for businesses that plan to expand quickly. However, the growth potential comes at a price, as some of the features aimed at larger businesses might be too advanced for small startups. The sixth thing is about customer support. BigCommerce has a solid support team that offers 24/7 assistance, which is definitely a plus compared to some other platforms with limited support hours. But depending on your issue, you might have to wait a little longer than you'd like, especially during peak hours. The seventh thing is BigCommerce integration with dropshipping suppliers. While it does integrate with several suppliers like Printful and Spocket, it doesn't offer as many options as Shopify, which might give you more variety when it comes to finding products to sell. So, if supplier options are a big factor for you, BigCommerce might feel a little limited. The eighth thing is SEO capabilities. BigCommerce is strong on SEO and offers built-in features like customizable URLs and meta tags. However, Shopify has an edge here with more third-party apps that can give you even more SEO power. If SEO is your focus, BigCommerce will get the job done, but Shopify may offer a bit more flexibility. The ninth thing to note is mobile responsiveness. BigCommerce offers mobile-optimized themes, but they may not be as visually appealing or user-friendly as Shopify's, which has a wide selection of high-quality mobile themes. If you rely heavily on mobile traffic, Shopify might be a better choice. The 10th thing is about inventory management. BigCommerce provides a strong inventory management system, but it can be a little more complex than what you get with Shopify or WooCommerce. If you want something more intuitive and easy to navigate, you might want to consider other options. The 11th thing is the ease of use. BigCommerce is certainly not as user-friendly as Shopify, and if you're looking for an all-in-one, simple platform to manage your dropshipping store with minimal effort, it might not be your best bet. Shopify's interface is much more intuitive, especially for beginners. And finally, BigCommerce does offer a 15-day free trial, which is great for testing out the platform. However, compared to other services like Shopify, the free trial period might feel a bit short if you need more time to really get a feel for the software. Overall, BigCommerce is a great dropshipping platform with a lot of features that work well for growing businesses, but it might not be the best fit for beginners or those who prioritize ease of use. If you're looking for a better option that's simpler and more intuitive, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's the right fit for your business.